What's up, y'all? It's your girl Sasha P back at it again, bringing you real gardening, good food, and entertainment. Today I'm going to show you how to make some really delicious waffles using this mix from Aldi. So it says you can just add water, but I'm going to put some milk in mine. I got 2 cups of the mix in the bowl. Take your 1 cup measure and put half milk and half water in here. Way with whole milk. Add that right in and mix it up. I'm gonna use my whisk to get this all incorporated, but you can use a fork. When you're done mixing it up, it should look like this, and it can have a couple of lumps in it. It's all good. Make sure you get your waffle iron ready and preheated. You want to let this mix sit for 3 to 5 minutes. And that's so that everything can activate. And you'll notice that the mix will kind of fluff up a little bit, if that makes any sense. So just let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes. And as you can see, it has thickened up a little bit. My waffle iron is hot. I'm going to spread. Spread good now, so they don't stick. Pull out the 1 cup measure again, the same one, and fill it up. See how thick it got? That's what it should look like. Okay. Close it down. And no, I can't help myself. I gotta take a peek. Woo! Almost ready. The first one is ready. It took somewhere about, 7-8 minutes. Throw it on the plate. Look at that. Look at that. And my baby wants his waffle right now. Okay, I got 2 more to go.